We're on the observation tower at Robinson Nature Preserve. I guess it's near Brandenton. Off there, I think that's towards Tampa Bay, the city of Tampa. We're filming out into Tampa Bay on top of a very large observation tower. Very, very beautiful day today. A little windy up here. I imagine it's upper 60s temperature wise. And I don't think you can see it on this video, but we believe somewhere, yeah, you can't see it. We think there's a couple of bald eagles nesting in there. I don't see it. Terry's got her camera, her better camera with a zoom lens, and she can see them.